Dear Prince, sir, do you hear me clearly now?
Yes, very clear. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you for joining with me and Murad. I'm a mentor of Murad. Uh, I'm a digital marketing expert, and we providing many services. So I have seen your two website. Murad sent it to me. So as we are working as a group, uh, I'm a leader of my group, and Murad is my student. Like Murad, I have 100 plus students, those learn from my institute, Fiverr Outsourcing Institute. So, sir, thank you for
You
joining.
follow me, I'm sorry. You follow me.
Okay, so can you tell us what you desire from our team so that I can explain from our side perfectly, and how we help you to grow your business, to promote your business, to boom your business, for gain more client, more money, so that we will get a permanent job from your companies, your side.
Yes, thank you. I have Lyme disease with my speech. I'm sorry. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I hear you. Okay, no problem. You keep carry on.
Okay. I've started the store about a year and a half ago.
I
Have-
I have seen your store. I have seen your store, no problem. So, did you run any Facebook ads, Instagram ads, like that, or Google ads for bring more traffic in your website? Did you run any ads?
No, I'm I have a VA who works with me who signed on the ads.
Okay, no
And
problem. I understand that you are a little bit sick. It's no matter. I got the point. So you just tell me yes or no. Did you run any ads before, for any paid ads like boosting or ads campaigning by Facebook, Instagram, like Pinterest or Google ads, like that, or not?
I'm just beginning to.
On LinkedIn.
I'm just beginning to do that now.
Okay, so do you agree to promote your business by social ads like Facebook, Instagram, and Google?
I do, depending on what the cost is right now.
Its cost depend on like reach. Like if we reach 1,000 people in USA, you know that USA people per capital cost is little bit high. Okay, where we run the campaign in USA and our like South Asian countries, if we expend uh, $10, right? So in our country we can reach by $10 10,000 people, because our living cost is low, our per capita income is low. So you are living at USA, so your living cost and your per capita income is high. So that's why Facebook charge more, Google charge more in your location, like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, like that kind of places. So we can reach like per $10, 2,000, or approx 3,000 people. So it like we will reach not only like average reach, we will not average reach. So we will find your targeted audience first. Like, yes. So which business you want to promote? You have two business. So we'll find your best target audience, customer. Then we'll set up the ads, we'll set up the ad audience, and we will set up the ad manager, business manager, Facebook page, Instagram page, business page, also like Google ads account, everything we will set up. I do everything for on behalf of you. You will put your business info, like your business information, card information, because you must have to put your card. Okay, so you have to put all information. I will associate with you how to do it. I will organize everything what you need for run the campaign, everything for the credential, and you just associate with us to do everything, like your business information must needed, your content needed. So you will provide us that. We will boom up your business. We'll brings the organic traffic, and the paid traffic. You know that organic traffic comes very low. Okay, so those guys will tell you that I will brings organic traffic, many traffic, 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. It's very rare. It's a very challenging job for brings the organic traffic. Organic traffic grow that time when you have a popularity, you have a face value. Okay, so like those are the celebrity. They can brings the organic traffic. Like they who are working for the influencer, they can brings the organic traffic. Suppose you hire the influencer, then they put your information, your content in their Instagram, Facebook, then brings the traffic into your website. That's called organic traffic. So as we are not the influencer, we are not the celebrity, so we have to brings the traffic via our paid ads like Facebook, Instagram, Google, like etc. So we'll focus everywhere, but first of all Facebook, Instagram and Google, because these the social network are very strong. People engage more, so it brings more traffic instantly in your website. We'll figure it out, every content, picture, and CTA button, ads copy, everything as needed. So we have a designer, we have a website designer, we have a virtual assistant. So we are working as a group, as a total leading group. So that brings you the top place, the good place for your business, every sector. Okay.
Okay. So comments. Thank you. What I'm wondering is the products in my store right now. That I have in the store. So I've already I like it. I want to.
Price and service depend on how many times we will invest. Like if you focus on Facebook, Google ads like that, then if you go with us monthly basis, we charge for like $300 to $500 per month. It's depend on how many social network we will work for you, like Facebook, Instagram, Google, or Snapchat. We first month we charge little bit extra because lots of things need to do. From next month we will give you 30% to 25% discount. Like this month we will charge like $300 to $350. Next month we will give you $50 to $100 discount for looking long-term relation. Okay.
So he said you. I would see what you wanted like first, and I'll pay after that.
Actually, I'm very your sound.
I'm sorry.
No, it's no problem.
Well,
you can everything write down Murad over LinkedIn. It's not a matter. You can send your opinion over LinkedIn. You are sick, so we understand you are facing problem. It happened to everyone. If I were the sick, so it happened to me also to speak out loudly or clearly. I got few things from you. You are agree to work with us, right?
I want to find out what the cost is. The first month, I said, I would see what you would like, and charge
I'll give you discount. You just send the Murad what price you are agree to work with us. I will agree to work with you. No problem. We want to work with you. That's our main focus. Okay.
No, I'm not sure. Could you say the details?
Okay, you send the Murad everything details. We will send you text so that you can understand. We will go forward. Okay, no problem.
Great.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry if you not perfectly understand. You understand everything what I'm saying?
Do you understand what I'm saying?